Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, western Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Weirton, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Frankfort Springs, Hanover Township, and Raccoon Creek State Park. This includes Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 47. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.